my channel, all of you fragrance and perfume lovers. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another blind buy haul that I have purchased recently. So yeah, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, I am now doing fragrance videos along with my makeup tutorials and vlogs. I would love for you to go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the game. I notice that most people that watch my videos are just watching, sis. Y'all just looking. You're not subscribing or nothing. I'm gonna need you to go ahead and smash that subscribe button so we all can be smelling good over here. So the first fragrance I have is Choo by Choo. You guys, this smells so good, like it's crazy. I feel like some people like this scent, some people don't like this scent, but I really do like it. Now this one is not a blind buy. I actually smelled this when I went into my local belt store. You guys, it smells so good. I'm like, where's the bottle? So this is what the bottle looked like, you guys. I actually got the 2 fluid ounce bottle. This smells so freaking good. I can smell the pear in this. I definitely can smell the patchouli. I smell the orange. I think it's an orange thing for me. Like, it's the oranges for me, sis. Like the Via La Belle Eclat, the orange. It's the orange for me. And pear, y'all, pear and orange and vanilla, I have been obsessed with lately. This also has a sweet note in it, which is toffee. There's no vanilla in it, but there is toffee, which make this scent really sweet. It's a nice sweet scent. It's not super sickening or anything. I do smell a little bit of the orchid in it. Not really. I smell more so the pear note and the orange in this fragrance. Like, I feel like Choo by Choo just has it all. Everything that I like in the fragrance. It smells super clean. It smells fresh. It's super sweet. And it also smells kind of sexy too. I actually have not tried this one out yet, you guys. I'm actually going day by day, just wearing them for like a day or two, seeing how I like them, see how long they last. So I'm not quite sure how long this Choo by Choo actually projects. I hear some really good things about it, you guys, based on reviews and also based on here on YouTube. I hear that this projects and lasts a really long time on the skin as well as the clothes. I am super excited to try this one because when I spend my money on perfumes, I need them to last all day, sis. And by the way, you guys, this is the Eau de Parfum. So the next fragrance I have is Hypnose by Lancome, and this is also the Eau de Parfum. I got this one in a 1 fluid ounce. I was not sure how I was gonna feel about this, but Amber Chantel, I think that's her name on YouTube, y'all, she is amazing. Her personality, like, she just bomb all the way around, and she knows what she be talking about when it comes to those fragrances. So I picked this up because of her. And this smells really good, you guys. This is actually my scent of the day, and I got this in a 1 fluid ounce. This is what I'm wearing today, and y'all, I smell so good. It's 1 o'clock. I sprayed this about 8 o'clock this morning. I still smell it as I should. Lancome, the house of Lancome has some amazing fragrances, you guys, that have they have super longevity powers. Like, they last a really long time. The bottle is beautiful, you guys. The juice is purple/blue, like an indigo. The juice is amazing. Like, I probably did about 4 sprays. I normally with Lancome stick to 3 or 4 sprays, but y'all, it lasts me all day. I am still smelling good, and the juice, this bottle, like, this whole ensemble is just beautiful. I definitely can smell the jasmine in it. I definitely can smell the vanilla. I do also think that there is some type of flower in it. I want to say that this is a more floral/vanilla type of perfume. It just smells so good. It smells very different too. That's also why I picked it, because I just wanted something different. I don't see many people talk about this one here on YouTube at all. I don't see many people wearing it or hear about many people wearing it. I just think it's very different. And I love vanilla, so it was a go for me. And the next fragrance that I have is Lost in Paradise. This is by Sofia Vergara, and this is what the bottle looks like. The packaging is not all that great, if I have to be honest, you guys, especially the top. But that's expected with celebrity fragrances. Sometimes it's not the best quality or bottles, but there are some really good celebrity fragrances. I don't want to sound bougie or anything, but this one is the 1 fluid ounce, And this actually came with a travel spray. No, this one came with the roller ball. I don't really like roller balls, but it came with the roller ball and also came with the lotion. This smells really good. I wore this when I was on my trip in Atlanta, or either at the beach. Now this smells really, really nice. I smell some type of flower in here. It smells fruity, and it also smells a little rosy. This is okay, you guys, if I have to be quite honest. It smells really, really nice. I think the only reason why I bought it, I picked this up. Did I say Burlington's? I meant to say Steinmart. I got this from Steinmart. I'm holding it upside down. I got this from Steinmart, you guys, and I paid like $7 for this whole kit. So I was like, you know what? Whatever. Let me try it out. $7. And plus, I really want to try some other items from Sophia. But this smelled really good. It didn't last a long time. I probably smelled it for like maybe an hour or two, and after that, it kind of just disappeared on my skin. This may be the type of fragrance that I may have to like overspray, like just go crazy like I'm spraying a body splash in order for it to last a long time. And it also maybe need to be layered with a lotion, or even with the lotion that comes in this set. So as far as the notes on this one has some vanilla, it has some pear, and it has red apple, and a little bit of musk and patchouli, I believe. I definitely said that this is a fruity fragrance. Look at me, I'm learning, y'all, and it does have some fruits in it. I think I know what I'm talking about. I'm learning. And the last fragrance I have is Lancome Idole. This is also the Eau de Parfum, and I believe I got the 1.7. This is the 1.7 fluid ounce. This is the bottle, you guys. This perfume smells so good. It smells so good, you guys. Originally, I had got like the really small one. It was literally half of it. I had to take it back because I needed the bigger one. The only thing is, the bottle is beautiful, you guys, but I just hate that it does not stand up on its own. So I just kind of have to lay it down where I store my perfumes. But it is a really, really nice smelling perfume. I have not worn this one either. I have not tested it out. The only perfumes that I tested out was the Sophia and the Lancome. So I still have a few to test out. So Lancome Idole is definitely a more floral and rose perfume. I can definitely smell that it has some florals in it. It has some rose. And I want to say maybe even some pear or vanilla. But this is a very beautiful scent. I do feel like this is a grab and go kind of perfume. You don't really have to think about it too much. Whatever you're wearing, it really doesn't matter. Just grab it and put it on. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this one out, you guys. It smells so good, and I've heard so many good things about it. Again, another Lancome perfume. I know it's going to project. I know that it's going to last a super long time. So that is pretty much it for my fragrances that I have bought within the past couple of weeks. Y'all, I have been going crazy on a fragrance hunt. You guys were not lying. Like, once you start, you cannot stop. It's almost like getting a tattoo, because it's getting out of control. Like, I need to budget, or I need to figure something out. One fragrance a month or something, because I am going crazy. And by the way, you guys, I actually purchased all of these perfumes from fragrancenet.com. Honestly, you guys, I was a little bit iffy. I was a little bit scared. I was a little bit shaken, sis. But I must say that I believe that my perfumes are legit. They have some super affordable prices, you guys. And I also did check the batch code. I'll leave the link to where you can check your batch codes down in my description bar. Basically, you want to make sure that the batch code matches the box as well as the bottom of the perfume. You type it in the website. It lets you know that it's legit, and it also lets you know how long ago the perfume was actually made, whether it was 2 years, 3 years, or what have you. And by the way, you guys, I actually normally purchase my perfumes from like Belk or Dillard's. I checked one of my perfumes that I recently purchased from Belk, and it was 3 years old. I don't know how I feel about that, but you know. And let me just say that to say, all the fragrances that I'm showing you in today's video were no older than 2 years from FragranceNet. So Belk has some explaining to do. Like, they need to be talking. So yeah, the only perfume that I didn't get was from FragranceNet was the Sofia Vergara Lost in Paradise. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy another fragrance video from me. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams and smell good, sis. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.